Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Online video. In today's video, we go over step number 5 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is connecting your ndau NFT Forge with your Shopify store. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau on the ndau Wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, visit the ndau.io website for more details. In today's video, we're going to review how to connect your ndau NFT Forge to your Shopify store. Next, you need to connect your ndau NFT Forge with Shopify store. This will let you easily sell your NFTs to anyone visiting your store. Soon, in about a week or two, we'll be releasing a Forge app in the Shopify App Store that will let you connect your ndau NFT Forge. But for now, simply go through this short manual process of setting up a private app. Don't worry, we're going to walk through each step in this video. Now, click on the Develop Apps link in your Shopify store. Click on Allow Custom App Development button. You'll see another page explaining more about custom apps. Go ahead and click on the Allow Custom App Development button. Next up, click on Create an App button. From here, you can name this app anything you wish, but we recommend you name it something like ndau NFT Forge app. Leave your email in the app developer field and click the Create App button. Next up, use the search box to pull up each of the following 8 API categories and enable both read and write for each of them. The first one, draft orders. Next, fulfillment services. 3, inventory. 4, order editing. 5, orders. 6, products. 7, script tags. 8, themes. When you are done, you will see 16 selected access scopes. Click the Save button to continue. Next, to complete the connection between your ndau NFT Forge and your Shopify store, log into your ndau NFT Forge and click on your account name. Next, click on the Add Store button. In the ID field, enter your API key. In this password field, enter your API access token. In the store host field, enter your Shopify store's domain name without an HTTPS. For example, my store's host field would be oniro-nft-store.myshopify.com. Congratulations, once you've done that, you're all done and you've successfully connected your Shopify store with your ndau NFT Forge. You will now always see your Shopify store listed in the ndau NFT Forge profile page, identified by your API key. In my upcoming videos, we will continue to go through step-by-step how to get started with the ndau NFT Forge. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Online video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.